have done all the variety, rich people, middle class people, everything. But finally I am thinking, I am working so many days, so many years, and handed over so many houses without any capital. So at the age of 64 now, I want to give the good some landmark, some milestone, make such facility available to my young people of this country. तो ऐसी टाउनशिप दे दो कि जो लोगों के लिए एक नया चमत्कार हो जाएगा। डिफरेंट कंट्री से 12 एक्सपर्ट मैंने अंदर बिठाए एक साथ दुबई के अंदर, एंड फाइनली वी गॉट द प्रोडक्ट दैट नेम इज ड्रीम सिटी. Different type of culture with the education, sports and life and leisure we are providing there. That is real my dream city.
Building trust by making excellence a standard. Cradling the future for those who dream. Helping dreams thrive and prosper. Watch the journey of a man with a vision. DSK Dream City. Live the dream. This weekend on Times Now.
A self-contained community rooted in nature and an architectural wonder. Dream City is the dream project of the man with a vision, D.S. Kulkarni.
आज तक मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 40,000 घर बांध के लिए, उसमें 95% है मिडिल क्लास लोगों के लिए. आज भी दैट इज आवर कस्टमर. इन 3 लाख रुपीज 1 bedroom apartment 3 room, 4 lakh rupees 2 bedroom apartment 4 room. So we have done all the variety, rich people, middle class people, everything. So at the age of 64 now, I want to give the good some landmark, some milestone. तो ऐसी टाउनशिप दे दो कि जो लोगों के लिए एक नया चमत्कार हो जाएगा.
Dream City, set to house over 50,000 families, promises its residents a lifestyle unparalleled. With an exotic botanical garden on the island, to walkways, jogging paths, trams and water taxis, sporting facilities that cater to 36 different sports and 9 sporting academies, schools and an international campus for higher education, Dream City comes with the promise of over 250 amenities for its residents.
They had already designed for the project to do a golf course for the entire site, surrounded by 30 to 40-story residential buildings. I thought Pune deserves a living environment that can literally bring the bar up and lift the standards up and the expectation to much higher standards than just a golf course. We're going to produce a township of the highest possible standards, of international level of expertise, and for Pune to be proud of.
Dream City is the result of D.S. Kulkarni's relentless pursuit for excellence and an aspiration to provide quality living to his residents. Watch the journey of this man with a vision this weekend on Times Now. Headed by founder and chairman D.S. Kulkarni, DS Group is not only a trusted name in the real estate market, but the group has also emerged as pioneers in different business verticals.
Opportunity it'll never come with a bang. It'll always come with probably the lowest of decibels that you can ever imagine. And if you can hear it, then you can become an opportunist. It's such a short span. He's managed to go to such a level. And that's got him more and more opportunities. And that's the reason why the company spread across, across sectors.
Never one to pass an opportunity, DSK Group has not only been one of the largest dealers of Toyota in the western region, but have also collaborated with South Korean giant S&T Motors to bring the world-famous Hyosung motorbikes to India.
We've been winning awards for maybe 12 or 13 years in a row, and we also finished the best dealer in the world. With this experience, we're now also utilizing it in the motorcycle business.
In the world of education, DSK International Campus is a 20-acre state-of-the-art campus, home to 3 design schools: animation, video gaming and industrial design.
If you look at animation, video game and industrial design as units under one roof, we are some of those unique design schools who have all these 3 put together.
With a simple philosophy of giving back to society, DSK Digital Technologies embarked on an inspired journey to make technology easy to use and cost-effective with DSK Mobilis and DSK Milkotronics.
The thought process behind bringing this device was to give a computing experience at an affordable cost to the end user. He may be at any level of the hierarchy. It required around about 3.5–4 years of R&D development into this. It's a combination of a desktop, a laptop, a tablet and a mobile. The biggest project what we are doing is a financial inclusion project. It's a 100% rural project, a RBI initiative. Like take the bank to the doorstep. That is the concept of RBI. We are giving all banking facilities to this beneficiary at their doorstep.
Watch the inspiring journey of visionary DS Kulkarni this weekend on Times Now.